Hello, welcome Virgo. Ito yung reading natin for Virgo singles. Okay, take only what resonates. Let's start your reading. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang guys. And if you want to book a personal reading, pumunta ka na lang dun sa TikTok shop. Hanapin mo yung aking TikTok shop. Ito yun, Unipree. So yan. I-search mo doon. And might be makita ka dong bracelet na available pa na may kasamang reading. Anyway, this particular deck is, pagpasensyahan mo na lang, sira yung isang card dito. Pero, pinagtsatsagaan ko kasi I really do love the message here. At saka ito yung parang, nagpapapansin sa akin kanina na gamitin para sa reading mo. So, ito ang gagamitin natin dahil maaaring may message na gustong iparalam sa'yo dito. Okay, so anyway, this is for Virgo single. Okay, let's start your reading, Virgo singles. You do have the Temperance, Five of Cups, the Five of Coins, Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups, Seven of Cups, and the Three of Swords. Okay. There's someone who is, nakita natin, nagkakaroon ng pagsisisi itong taong to eh. Maybe a person in the past. Sobrang nalulungkot siya. Nagkakaroon siya ng problem financially. And not only financially, pwedeng kung nasaan siya, maybe sa home niya, hindi siya satisfied. The Five of Cups, sobrang nalulungkot yung taong to. Sobrang gusto niyang kausap. Gusto niya ng taong makakaintindi sa kanya. Okay? And I feel like with the Page of Swords, this could be a person na may connection kayo through child. So, I don't know, it maybe yung iba sa inyo, pamangkin mo yung anak niya. Ay, sorry, inaanak mo yung anak niya. Pwedeng gano'n. Or vice versa, if you're a single mom, single dad, di ba? Something to do with child. Pero okay lang kahit hindi. Or maybe, sa trabaho mo, itong child na to, yun yung naging connection para makilala mo tong taong to. Okay, para makilala mo siya. So, iba-iba. Bahala ka na. Basta there's a child na involved. But anyway, maybe has something to do with your connection. So, ngayon, hindi okay itong taong to na nasasaktan siya. Hindi to dapat love, pero sa iba sa inyo, this is love. Love reading. Hindi to dapat love eh. Kasi itong taong to, na person in the past, or maybe kung walang child na involved sa inyo, maybe you have childhood memories with this person. Maybe childhood friend kayo, magkapitbahay ganyan, or magkakilala, marami kayong memories in the past. So, kaya lumalabas siya dito sa reading mo. Two of Cups is here, so etong person na to might be in another relationship, in another connection, pero with the Seven of Cups, nagde-daydream pa rin siya sa'yo. And you do have the Three of Swords. Yeah, this is another relationship, another connection na involved sa connection ninyo. And you do have your Justice. So, and the Hermit, this is Virgo and Libra energy. You could be dealing with those signs. Or, sobrang, nasasaktan siya or nai-stress siya sa sitwasyon niya ngayon. And, especially with the Nine of Swords, Ang mas napansin ko dito is yung pag-mirror ninyo dito sa numbers at Roman numerals. Kung titignan mo, parang nagsasalamin, ano? Yung number. So, maybe you are dealing with a twin flame, or this is a person wherein may spiritual connection kayong dalawa. Okay? And, siya yung nasa dark side, no? Dark side ng connection ninyo. Yun yung, kumbaga kung sa tawagin natin, Dark Night of the Soul. Tama ba? Alam mo, may pagkaulyanin ako, pagpasensyahan mo na. So, doon sa part na yun, parang hindi ako sure, but I feel like I'm right. Darkest Night of the Soul, parang ganun. Anyway, yun yung term. Wait lang guys, nababahing ako. Ay, nawala naman. Ace of Wands, Six of Cups, Four of Coins, Eight of Wands. I'm seeing you being more inspired na gawin yung mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo ngayon na maaaring nangyayari na, ginagawa mo na, or mangyayari pa lang. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng something to do with learning, gusto mo yung mga matutunan, gusto mo matutong mag-drive, gusto mo matutong magbasa, ganito, ganyan. So, ang daming gusto mo matutong magbasa maybe ng tarot. So, yung iba pwede nag-aaral ng regarding doon. And, you do over the Four of Coins. So, I feel like may something or someone sa family ninyo yung nakikita ko na nag-iipon. Tell me about this. For Virgo single, Nine of Cups. So, the Queen of Wands is here. Maybe this is an advice or a friend. Or close ka. There's this family energy. So, pwedeng close kayo masyado ng taong to na para kayong magpamilya. Or parte ng or sa pamilya mo siya yung pinaka-close mo. So, ganun. There's someone here na pwedeng pabalik or paparating. And this person can help you with regards to your finances. May mga advice or may mga matututunan ka mula sa taong ito. And nakakita tayo ng pag-iipon mula sa kanya. And maybe pag-iipon, maybe regarding business or what. But anyway, yung pagdating nitong taong to, may nakikita tayo na pwedeng mag-benefit sa'yo yung pagdating or pagbabalik nitong taong to. And this could be a family member or a friend. You do have here the Seven of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Two of Cups, and the Three of Swords, followed by the Three of Coins. What's with the Three of Coins? That's Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Seven of Swords is also here. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Swords. So, yeah, you're moving on. Continuous yung pag-move on mo sa buhay. Not necessarily sa love. Pero if you are this person na recently lang may mga tinanggal ka or umalis ka sa connection, maybe you are focusing on moving on. Ngayon, the more na nag-move on ka, the more na na-attract mo tong the lovers, which is a relationship, a better relationship for you. This time, walang pagsisinungaling, this is like nakikita ko to as Eva and Adan no? Sa Bible, it's Eva and Adan. So maybe this is a soulmate or destiny or a person na ibibigay talaga sa'yo ng Panginoon, ng universe. This is the one meant for you. And the moment na ikaw ay nag-move on or, just focusing on the sun, focusing on growth, focusing on new beginnings, focusing on tomorrow, ganyan. The moment na nag-focus ka sa mga ganung bagay, nagpaka-busy ka sa buhay, I can see you handling your struggles alone, na pwedeng in the past, parang akala mo kailangan mo ng tao, ng someone na tutulong sa'yo para maharap mo yung mga struggles na yon ng mas madali. Pero na-realize mo, hindi, kaya ko pala mag-isa. And this is you focusing on that. And maybe yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga tatahakin kang business or tatahakin kang bagay na parang naiba na yung mindset mo Parang nasa isip mo, kaya ko na. Kaya ko pala. Ganun. And then, Three of Swords, this is like a person in the past with the Two of Cups. Na nakikita nga natin na yung relationship na ito ay hindi talaga nag-work out. And with the Seven of Cups, and still, this person is daydreaming of you, wanting to have you. And tell me about this. Yeah, you do have the Two of Coins. What's with the Two of Coins? The Eight of Swords. And one more card. Nine of Wands and the Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Hanged Man and the Wheel of Fortune. So, I feel like, I don't know if interesado ka malaman yung sa part ng taong ito. Kasi supposed to be itong reading na ito ay nakakonsentrate sa'yo. But definitely, itong challenges na ito sa kanya, sa situation niya, wherein parang hirap na hirap siya, nakakulong siya, parang feeling niya, hindi niya kayang umalis sa sitwasyon. And, with the Two of Coins, nakakita tayo dito ng parang choices and hindi niya alam kung anong pipiliin niya or gagawain niya. So, in the future, the Six of Wands, honestly, the moment na nakita ko itong Six of Wands, may naririnig akong parang, alam mo yung, of course, naglalaro ako ng ML, guys. And, if you're not familiar, kung hindi po kayo naglalaro ng ganon, and naglalaro ako nun for libangan at pag nag-aalis ng stress. So, naririnig ko yung word na retreat. So, the Six of Wands is like, there's pagre-retreat, or pagbalik mula dito sa taong to. So, tell me more. What's with the Six of Wands? Yeah. You do have the Moon and the Star. Some of you, this is the same person. The lovers. Maybe you are soulmate, your twin flame, you are someone na ibinibigay talaga sa'yo. Pero yung iba, hindi naman. This could be a new person. The lovers. Pero yung iba, ito yun, siya yun. No? Kahit anong layo ang gawin niya sa'yo, talagang binabalik siya sa'yo ng universe. And that, I feel like there's big change na maaaring mangyari sa inyo. I can see possibility of a reconciliation with the Three of Cups, with a friend, with a person na ibabalik sa buhay mo. And, yeah, I feel like hindi lang isa ang ibabalik sa buhay mo. Like, sabi ko nga, maybe there's a person na maybe a family member who is about to come back para tulungan ka. Diba? And, magbe-benefit ka sa pagbabalik nitong isang taong to. Tapos, may another person pa, which is, may kinalaman naman sa love. Okay, so anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.